How to delete Exness account. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can delete your account here in Exness.market. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first of all, there's no a direct way to cancel your account from here. If you try to open your profile, you can go into support or to suggest a feature, or here into this menu you have some other options like partnership and so on, but there's no way to delete your account. Even in this part you just can confirm your identity and so on. Okay, so if you want to delete your account, you must to write to support and try to contact a live chat. But what they are gonna tell you is that you must to request the termination of your account and you must to write to support@exness.com. So I'm going to emulate, we are writing this to support@exness.com. As you can see, it is a real email. And now you must to type the following details. So your trading account number, I'm just gonna type it here so you can know what are the details you must to add. Let me just, okay, the trading account number, the support pin or date, plus the amount of the last completed. It doesn't matter if it was done or rejected, but the last completed deposit or withdrawal transactions, and also the reason for your account closure. Once you have done that, to include in this data, and to obviously the subject is like account closure, you must wait and they're gonna answer you so you can complete your account closure. That's the only way that you can do it. You can try to contact support here, but what you're gonna get are the same. You must type the details to support@exness.com, and that's how you can do it. That's how you can delete your account in Exness. Thanks for watching.